Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 3rd, 2022. We're going to talk about the QQQ ETF today from Invesco. Is a crash incoming for this particular ETF? What do you all think? Because if so, then we want to be prepared, right? We want to get out the way if we're buyers into the market. If we're sellers, then we want to get on board and ride the price down so that we can continue to enlarge our profitability. Well, I got you, because I'm going to show you all the price prediction today in the market for QQQ. Now, if you're new to my channel, I want you all to be aware I do price predictions. That's it. I don't try to come in and hype you all up. I don't try to come in and show you 1,400 articles to try to persuade you to think that the market is bullish when it's actually not. I'm real. If the market is weak, then we should be weak with the market. If the market is strong, then we need to be strong with the market. And as of right now, when I zoom out, QQQ is not strong at all. We're in a downtrend. So we need to be naturally thinking weak. We need to be thinking that price in QQQ is going to continue to go down until we see some inflection point of buying. Until we see buyers, then that's going to be our premise. We're going to look for the market to continue to drop. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well while you're at it, because I really want to make sure you guys stay updated, because the market is forever changing. The same people who bought or sold QQQ 2 weeks ago is not in the market today. They may not be buying today. They may actually be selling. This is why this is such a dynamic market. Fluid, changes all the time. So as the market changes, then guess what? My price predictions will change as well. So I want to make sure that everyone in the community has a heads up as to what I'm seeing. Now, check this out. Generally, the trend here in QQQ is bullish. Like, look at this. I'm zooming out the price chart. From this long-term perspective, we understand that, yes, this is a very strong, massively strong ETF, QQQ. This is where so many people come up with that mantra of just buy the dips. This is where these YouTubers come out and speak on just buy the stock. Because in the long term, price always goes up. That's not always. At some point, these stocks will hit a climax. It will hit the apex, and that will be it. Your timing of when you come in and buy these stocks is also critical. You just don't want to throw a dart and say, I'll buy here, and then you continue to see the price fall, and then they tell you to come in and dollar cost average when price falls. So you buy more, but price continues to fall. And then you buy more because these YouTubers out here telling you all the dollar cost average in. They only tell you the dollar cost average in when price goes down. Have you noticed that? When price goes up, you never see a video for you to dollar cost average in. But when it goes down, they want you to buy in because they think that you are reducing your cost basis, which you are, but there's still no guarantee that price is going to go up though. Yeah, you're lowering your costs overall, but what is your price target? What price level are you trying to go out? Because once price falls, there's no guarantee that price will go back up. There's none. That's how this market works. So generally, yeah, we're in an uptrend in QQQ. I get it. But when I zoom in, look at the last couple of months though. Look at how weak this market is in QQQ. That's not a bullish market, is it? No, this market is in a downtrend. And guess what? I'm going to maintain my bearishness into the market in QQQ. I can already see it. As long as the price in QQQ trades below this level. Okay. This is it. This is the area that we're going to maintain some weakness. So even if I see the price of QQQ come up to $340, I'm not going to be swayed. I'm not going to be tricked. I'm not going to be fooled, because from this monthly chart, it tells me that price is still weak. Now, I already can tell where I would take off some profitability right around here. Okay. So my first price target already is here. Around 300. Okay. Around 300. That's my first price target. My second one is here. See? I'm already giving you price targets as to where we can see the price and QQQ go. So check this out. Okay. Now, it's too many lines, isn't it? This is why I don't use technical analysis, because you can draw literally what you want to see on a price chart. But don't worry about it. I'm gonna clean it up because I don't want to be confusion. I don't want to cause confusion on you. I don't want to be confused. So I'm going to get rid of these lines. I just wanted to show you where I'm looking to profit in this market move to the downside in QQQ. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. So we know as long as QQQ trades below 340, we're going to be weak into the market. If it trades above 340 on strength, then we'll have to cut the play and this price prediction will be no longer valid. Okay. Now, that first price target is going to be around $297, maybe 300. Let's just round it out to around 300. Okay. That gives us 6.41%. Okay. My second one is going to be 280, 11.68%. And the third one is going to be around 266, 265, around 16.38%. Now, that is in extreme long term. Now, when I say long term, to me, I'm saying in a monthly aspect. I'm not saying in the next 40 years. I'm not saying in the next 3 years. I'm not saying in the next 5 years. I'm talking about a monthly time frame. We can see the market in QQQ come down to like 266, 265. But if it doesn't, I have already given you other price targets that we can profit into the market as price goes down. See, every price bar that you're looking at, right, is literally the collective behavior of the market. This is what people felt QQQ was worth at these moments in time. What trend do you think we're on right now? Because looking at this, there's a very strong trend right there, was it not? This trend in QQQ started back in September 2020. It was a very strong bullish trend. We broke that beginning of the year. Okay, cool. We broke that. So where's the next trend at then? Is it this one? Can we actually see QQQ fall this low? A lot of people don't think it can happen. That's another 35% movement down. Can it happen? Most definitely can happen. I'll be back in to show you where I think though. All right, so I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and drop me a price prediction real quick in the market for QQQ and let everyone know what is your price prediction. I've shown you mines. I talked about mines. Now it's your turn. So make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.